In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Microsoft SQL to n8n. If you're looking to automate processes and improve your workflow efficiency by integrating these two powerful tools, you've come to the right place. Let's dive right in and explore how you can set this up seamlessly. To start, ensure that you have your n8n workflow open and ready. This is where you'll be integrating Microsoft SQL. Once you're in your workspace, the first action you'll want to take is to add a new node. To do this, look for the option that says Add Node. You'll find this option in your n8n editor interface. Click on it, and this will open up a search field for you. In this search field, you're going to type Microsoft SQL. This will help you locate the exact Microsoft SQL node you need to add. As soon as it appears in the search results, go ahead and select it. By doing so, the node will be added to your workflow. Once the Microsoft SQL node is successfully added, let's explore what you can do with it. This node is incredibly versatile and supports a variety of operations that can be vital for managing your data. For instance, you can execute queries directly from n8n. This means you'll be able to run SQL queries that retrieve data, manipulate it, or whatever else you might need, all without leaving n8n. Additionally, with the insert operation, you can add new records to your database tables seamlessly. If you're frequently updating records, the update operation will be crucial, allowing you to change data directly in your database. And lastly, with the delete operation, you can remove data that is no longer needed, helping maintain the efficiency and integrity of your database. As you integrate Microsoft SQL into n8n, consider the different ways you might want to automate your processes. Think about how the real-time execution of these operations can influence your workflow. Whether you're dealing with large data sets or need precise data manipulation, having these operations at your fingertips can revolutionize how you interact with your database. Remember, ensuring secure and correct connection details for your SQL server in n8n is key for a successful setup. Always double-check your connection settings and credentials to prevent any unwanted access or errors. That's it for today's tutorial on connecting Microsoft SQL to n8n. I hope you found this guide simple and informative. By following these steps, you'll be able to streamline your data processes efficiently. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and tips on optimizing your workflows. Have a great day, and happy automating!